Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Fisher-Price car ramp is probably one of the most engaging and developmentally beneficial toys you can introduce to your little one, offering hours of imaginative play and crucial skill-building opportunities that go far beyond simple entertainment, making it a standout choice for parents seeking quality, durable, and fun-filled experiences for their children. Number 5. Wooden Racetrack Car Ramp Racer. Prioritize your child's safety with our high-quality wooden racetrack. It's made from durable, non-toxic materials and rigorously tested to meet the highest safety standards, ensuring no small parts detach. Watch as 4 colorful cars zoom down the vibrant rainbow track from the top parking lot. This provides endless entertainment and helps develop visual tracking skills. When playtime is over, your little one can easily park the cars in the top lot. This simple action helps foster a sense of organization and prevents toys from getting lost. This compact and sturdy racetrack is an ideal gift for birthdays or any occasion. It requires minimal assembly and is perfect for indoor or outdoor play. This engaging toy promotes hand-eye coordination, attention span, and social skills like cooperation and turn-taking. It's a wonderful way for toddlers to learn through play. Specifically designed for toddlers aged 1 to 2, the track width ensures only 1 car races at a time. It's the perfect gift to spark joy and development in young children. What we like. This wooden car ramp toy is designed with safety and durability in mind, using high-quality wood and non-toxic paints. If you are looking for a safe and engaging toy for younger toddlers, especially those around 1 to 2 years old, this is an excellent choice. Its sturdy construction and child-safe materials ensure peace of mind for parents. What people say. The cars are a good size for little hands to grasp and push. It's great that the cars stay on the ramp and don't fall off. The ramp is sturdy and holds up well to play. Number 4. VTech Go. Go. Smart Wheels Spinning Spiral Tower Playset. Spark your child's imagination with educational toys that make learning fun. They can build their own tracks and send vehicles zooming through multiple levels. This playset includes engaging features like a gas station and a car wash. Manipulating the colorful track pieces helps develop fine motor skills. Discover the magic of SmartPoint technology. 6 interactive locations trigger exciting phrases and music when compatible vehicles pass by. This set comes with a special SmartPoint van that teaches the letter V and the name of the vehicle. It's a wonderful way to introduce early learning concepts. Connect it with other Go. Smart wheels and animals track pieces for even more adventure. It's the perfect early learning center for children aged 1 to 5. What we like. This electronic playset offers interactive learning with SmartPoint technology, providing fun phrases and music. If your child enjoys interactive toys that talk and sing, and you want to introduce them to letters and vehicle names, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who love electronic features and educational content. What people say. The cars are a good size for little hands to grasp and push. The ramp is sturdy and well-made, with bright colors that attract attention. It's easy for toddlers to operate, just push the car down the ramp and watch it go. Number 3. Tot Tube Playset Toy Car and Ball Racetrack. Get ready for hours of excitement with this amazing toy. Children will love racing cars and balls down the unique tunnel track. It works with almost any brand of toy car or small ball. Imagine all the different races you can create. Prop it up against furniture and watch the magic happen. The transparent middle piece lets you see every exciting moment as the cars zoom through. Setting it up is a breeze, taking just a flash with no tools needed. Plus, it comes apart in 3 pieces for simple storage when playtime is over. Want even more fun? Buy 2 and race side by side, or connect them for 1 extra long racetrack. The possibilities are endless. What we like. This toy offers simple, imaginative play with a transparent tunnel for watching cars race. If you prefer a toy that requires no batteries or electronic components and is easy to set up and store, this is ideal. It's great for kids who enjoy classic racing fun and can use their existing toy cars. What people say. The cars are a good size for little hands to grasp and push. The ramp has a good incline, allowing the cars to roll down smoothly. It's easy for toddlers to understand and play with, promoting hand-eye coordination. Number 2. Fisher-Price Little People Light Up Learning Garage. Discover an exciting car garage playset designed for little hands. It's packed with engaging lights, music, and fun learning content. This playset features Smart Stages technology that grows with your child. It offers over 60 songs, sounds, and phrases to teach essential skills. Watch as multicolor lights come alive when your child sends their car through the car wash. It's a dazzling experience for young explorers. Let your child take the lead with fun, interactive features. They can operate the working elevator, race cars down the ramp, and even pretend to fill up or charge the car. This playset comes complete with adorable figures and a push-along toy car. The car's hood opens and closes, adding to the realistic pretend play fun. It's the perfect way for toddlers and preschoolers to learn about colors, the alphabet, shapes, and daily routines through play. What we like. This playset combines lights, sounds, and educational content that grows with your child. If you're looking for a toy that offers a variety of interactive features like an elevator and car wash, and provides learning through play, this is a fantastic choice. It's suitable for toddlers and preschoolers who enjoy hands-on car play with added educational benefits. What people say. The cars zoom down the ramps. It's a great toy for little ones to learn about cause and effect. The ramps are sturdy and well-made. Number 1. Toddler Car Truck Toys with Foldable Racetrack. Introducing a fantastic car carrier truck toy designed for kids aged 3 to 8. It comes with a foldable racetrack and 6 die-cast cars, perfect for indoor and outdoor adventures. With its clever foldable design, setting up and storing this toy is a breeze. Simply unfold the carrier to reveal a long racetrack for exciting single or multiplayer races. Experience enhanced racing fun with dual launchers. Watch as the cars speed down the track, stimulating your child's interest in speed and competition while improving their hand-eye coordination. These cars aren't just for racing, they can also be enjoyed as push-around toys. This adds extra interactivity, allowing children to develop their hands-on abilities and motor coordination. This toy features a large storage compartment that can hold up to 14 cars. It's a great way for kids to practice their organizational skills and develop good tidying habits. Made from high-quality, non-toxic materials with a smooth, burr-free surface, this toy ensures safety for little hands. It makes an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays for any child aged 3 and up. What we like. This toy transforms from a car carrier truck into a racetrack with dual launchers, offering a dynamic play experience. If your child loves trucks and racing, and you appreciate a toy that combines storage and play in one, this is a perfect fit. It's ideal for kids aged 3 and up who enjoy competitive racing and organizing their cars. What people say. The cars zoom down the ramps. It's a great toy for little ones to practice their fine motor skills. The ramps are sturdy and well-made, and the cars are a good size for small hands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.